Hey guys, this is a review of the Makita 12-inch chainsaw. It's a model 5012B. It's an electric chainsaw, so it does need a power source. Unit comes with a little clamp here to make sure that your power cable's held in place. Comes supplied with a wrench for changing the blade, a Phillips screwdriver for tensioning the blade to make sure that you've got the right tension here. Even comes with bar oil, so let's go ahead and fill this up with some chain bar oil. It's very important that you use chain bar oil. It keeps the blade lubricated, extends the life of the blade. So I'm just going to get all that in there like so. What you've got is a little plunger here. As you pump that, it delivers the oil to the blade. It recommends that you pump it 5 to 6 times. What you want to do, make sure the chainsaw's not plugged in, obviously. Rotate this around, make sure the blade is nice and lubricated. What I'm actually going to do for the main part of this review is we're going to head out into the field. I had a tree that came down during the recent storms. It's actually fallen on my fence, so I need to get it cut up so I can get it removed. While we're outside, we'll actually see how this works. So let's go ahead and do some cutting.